the time. I love it. I can't get enough of it.
Yeah, for $3,000 you can take a ride on it.
If I had $3 grand, I would.
Yeah.
Jet Walker, coming up, folks.
Going for Christian. In the Shockwave. You can find out more about Shockwave at Facebook.com/Shockwave Jet Truck.
Alrighty, now from Airshow right, ladies and gentlemen, talk about the top speed at 250. Just to slow things down. We're going to park the aircraft at Airshow Center.
Come on.
Roll it up to a 0 airspeed configuration. Watch closely, looking right off the deck. He's got Chris Darnell inside. Here we go. Slowing things down now.
Show on force.
40. Down to 30. 20. 10. Winding things down.
What do you say to that? The Jet Waco and the Jet Truck Shockwave, the Jet Truck.
Alrighty, Matt Jolly, the one-of-a-kind Jack Links Jet Waco Shockwave and the Jet Truck. I think we should take a vote. Should we not take a vote? Ladies and gentlemen, we're set up for a race. Make some noise if you think the Jet Waco has this race in the bag. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, the Jet Waco. What do you think?
Oh, come on. Some of you certainly got to be going for the Jet Waco. Look at this! Right off the deck. Jeff Urban liked to I think he's got a shot here. I really do.
Now you said Chris has 3 Jet.
3 Jet and 36,000 horsepower. Look at this. Chris can have it too. Show of hands. How many are Shockwave the Jet Truck?
Alright, well, a little something.
All right, a little something. We'll see. What's in it for us? Be careful.
Alright, I think they're getting lined up, ladies and gentlemen. Get your cameras out from Airshow right.
Come on, kids, make your way on up to the fence. Get ready. We're going to have
Chris Darnell making his way down. Now Neil's down there, his dad.
That's right.
Ladies and gentlemen, give Jeff Urban a big wave as he comes by on this one-of-a-kind aircraft. Right off the deck. 4,500 pounds of thrust. Jeff's going to have a little bit of an advantage because
he's moving already.
Well, you know, he is a little bit less thrust, let's say.
Yeah.
Than Chris Darnell. But Jeff's going to have the advantage, obviously, with the air start. The forward momentum, where Chris has all that weight. Chris with the advantage with the horsepower.
Well, let's see what happens here as they set up Neil Darnell, Chris's father. This is a family business. He's down there preparing Shockwave. Final safety checks will be completed. And then Chris Darnell and Jeff Urban will race. Well, let's see who wins. Cameras out. Everybody ready? Jay Rabbit. The engines are spooling up. Jeff Urban starting his approach turn to the runway. Ladies and gentlemen, the race of races. Rhode Island, make some noise. Are you ready to see him race? Let's count it down, folks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Race on! Oh my goodness, here they go. Well over 108, 200.